Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of sound on the application of a royal match with good settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we will search about the application of a royal match and we click here. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. We'll search about a royal match. We'll uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.